हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं कविता और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। आज मेरे चैनल पे आपको बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज दिख रहा होगा। ये है जॉश, जो कि इनका इंग्लिश चैनल है, कोरियन इंग्लिशमैन, राइट?
You're right.
जॉश क्या करते हैं कि कोरियन फूड को अलग अलग कंट्री में एक्सप्लोर कराते हैं, बहुत लोगों को टेस्ट करवाते हैं, उनका रिव्यू देते हैं। तो ये मेरे लिए चैलेंज रखा है कि मैं उनके फूड को ट्राई करूँ और बताऊँ कि कैसा कोरियन फूड कैसा होता है। और मेरे साथ यहाँ पे आप अवल को देख सकते हैं।
हेलो।
अवल के चैनल का नाम है Tsmadaan, सबको पता होगा, इंडिया में तो सबको पता है। तो आज हम तीनों ये चैलेंज करने वाले हैं जिसमें जॉश कराएंगे कुछ तो स्पाइसी खाना खिलाएंगे कोरियन। लेट्स ट्राई। जॉश, नाउ यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Fantastic. Hi, I'm Josh. I run a channel with my friend Ollie called Korean Englishman. And we just introduce Korean food, the Korean culture, sort of share culture through food. We're in a good place. You like food?
Yeah, of course.
I love food.
I'm a big foodie.
It's great.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Should we do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. All right. Now, are you guys, is it your first time to Korea this time?
Yeah.
Yes, first time.
Fantastic. Well, welcome.
Thank you.
And have you tried Korean food before?
Never.
Little bit.
Okay.
I tried kimchi today.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
and bolo gogi.
Bulgogi. Nice. Okay. Well, the thing we're going to be trying today is actually quite a famous Korean food. There was a big internet kind of food spicy challenge called
Yeah, I
the
heard
Fire
about that.
Noodle Challenge.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
But-
not ramen challenge?
Yeah, it's a ramen challenge.
Really?
It's the name of the ramen is like fire chicken noodles.
Oh god, it's very spicy.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
It's a little bit spicy. It's quite spicy. But the noodles themselves, they were actually based off of a real Korean dish. So the flavor is from an original dish, which is called fire chicken.
Fire
Ah.
chicken.
And that's what we're going to try today.
Sounds interesting. Let's see what will happen. You all
Let's
right?
see how it tastes.
Yeah, let's do it. Should we bring it?
Yeah.
Alright.
तो अभी जॉश लेके आने वाले हैं हमारे लिए जबरदस्त, बहुत ही तीखा, जो कि कोरिया का काफ़ी फेमस फूड है, और बहुत ही तीखा स्पाइसी फायर चिकन विथ नूडल्स काइंड ऑफ। आई एम नॉट श्योर, लेट मी सी।
So the original one is a noodles which is flavored like chicken. This has no noodles,
ओके,
just
Okay.
chicken. Ready? Okay. Oh, pardon it. Oh. All right. Okay. Good. There we go. And there's some chopsticks and a spoon for you guys.
थैंक
A
यू।
spoon will be good.
वी
Oh,
आर
yeah.
इंडियन, वी लाइक स्पून।
Okay, yeah, go for it. In Korea, when you have spicy food, you often eat it with this rice.
दिस इज आल्सो स्पाइसी।
No, this helps you if it's too spicy.
Oh,
It
balances out.
Cool you down.
Balances,
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly. What does it smell like to you guys?
इट स्मेल लाइक
So
इंडियन
you
curry.
It smells like Indian curry.
Yes.
Really? Maybe it's a different kind of spice than Indian chilies. We'll see. Please.
Let's
All
see.
right.
Aman,
You go ahead. You
No,
go ahead.
no.
You are the kitchen queen, so
Oh no, that's not chicken. That's a rice cake.
The chicken, not chicken.
No, it's not. It's like a chewy rice cake. Okay.
Come on, try.
Can I start by
Yeah, of course.
the combination of this?
Of course, of course.
Okay, great. So a bit of this.
Yeah.
I think this is rice.
This is a rice cake. Yeah, yeah. You want to try
Let me
that?
start with that.
It's called da.
For him.
Chewy.
Very chewy.
Now the spice is kicking in.
Yeah.
No, you-
You're feeling the heat.
Now I think it's like more than enough.
Okay.
Now I better go to the rice.
Right. What are you guys?
Korean like spicy food?
Yeah, Koreans like spicy food. They eat a lot of spicy food.
Really? But
Mhm.
now let's go to the chicken.
Ooh, you guys are making it look really good.
You have something more spicy?
You want more spicy?
Yeah.
I mean, this is pretty high on the spice level. You can get more
For
spicy,
Indian, this
but
is-
I'm good so far.
yeah,
I'm the one who gets hiccups too easily, but I'm good so far.
you're okay.
Yeah.
So in India, you eat more spicy food than
Yeah.
this. Really?
Really?
Wow. Wow. Yeah,
You should
that's
come
hot.
to India.
We should. I would love to.
जॉश को लग रहा है कि ये बहुत स्पाइसी है, लेकिन हमारे इंडिया में बहुत स्पाइसी खाना खाते हैं, तो हमारे लिए ओके है। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम, अभी जब मैं वापस इंडिया आऊंगी, तो आई कुक दिस रेसिपी फॉर यू गाइस।
Yeah, you're gonna make the puta, the fire chicken.
Yeah, fire chicken.
Wow.
This is amazing.
You like it? I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Do you?
When you will come to India, I'll cook this for you.
Yeah? That would be impressive.
See,
I would
there's a
love
big
that.
green chili, right?
Yeah.
I can eat it easily. After that, I don't know what will happen.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's go for it. Is it hot?
No, not at all.
No. Wow.
And
wow.
see, I'm still good.
We are strong. We are
Yeah.
strong.
Yeah, I swear, Indian spice is on another
Indians
level.
are very strong.
Yeah, it's another level. You guys are the first people to eat it and like, oh, it tastes good. Yeah, and just eat more. And how do I say spicy in Hindi again?
Tikha.
Tikka.
I want to teach one Hindi word in English.
Okay, please.
This is spicy.
Uh-huh.
What you call spicy in Hindi? Tikha, that is tikha.
Tikka.
Not tikha.
No.
Ta.
Da.
Yes.
Da.
Ti.
Ti.
Ta is ti. Tikha. Kha.
Tikka. Tikka.
Almost there.
Almost there. Now you have to correct your k.
Ka.
Yeah,
Tikha.
that's tikha.
You take it ah.
Tikka.
Yes.
Wow.
Tikka.
Yes.
You did fantastic
It's
job.
hard. Now in Korean, you can say mewoyo.
Oh God.
Meoyo.
The same thing.
Meoyo.
Mewoyo.
Meoyo.
Perfect.
Meoyo.
It's like mayonnaise.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Meoyo.
Oh God.
Mayo.
Now I'm stuck. Mayo-yo.
Meoyo. Meoyo.
Yeah, super mewoyo.
Mayo-yo. तो हमारा हो गया यहाँ पे जो फूड चैलेंज था कोरिया का, जो ये चिकन फ्राइड चिकन है, फायर चिकन कि बहुत स्पाइसी है, जॉस ने बताया। लेकिन जब इन्होंने हमारा एक्सप्रेशन देखा तो उनको लगा कि नहीं, इंडियंस बहुत स्पाइसी खाते हैं। तो अब मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम जब जॉश इंडिया आएंगे तो मैं यही रेसिपी बना के इनको खिलाऊंगी, इससे ज़्यादा मिर्ची डाल के, सो दैट इनको पता चले कि इंडियन कितना स्पाइसी खाते हैं, है ना। लेट्स शो जॉश सम लव। सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल। इनके चैनल का नाम है कोरियन इंग्लिशमैन, जिनका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी। और अवल है Tsmadaan से, इनके चैनल का लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी। तो प्लीज़ आप दोनों के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। और आई होप कि आज का ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय बाय।
Thank you guys.
थैंक यू जॉश, थैंक यू अवल।
Welcome.
And if I come to India, I want you to show me something more spicy than this.
Yeah.
दैट्स व्हाट आई
Oh, you said it already? Oh no, I'm scared now. Now I'm scared. Bye.
Bye.